Want to know a fun way how to make money online? If you don't know me, my name is Gabi Jalat from Montreal, Canada. And guys, all I do is I do TikTok videos. It's so fun and it's like playing. I don't know, it doesn't feel like working. Like in the morning, I have 2 to 3 hours to do. I do my income earning activities. I start copy pasting the free ads on high traffic website, and then I do this fun part, walking around and taking videos and enjoying the day and enjoying the time. And I promote the legacy programs, so in order people to see how you can get freedom while making money and while doing all the things you love. So if you want me to show you how to make money and have fun and enjoy your life and spend money with your family and have the best life you want, put Blueprint in the comment and I will be more than happy to show you how. All right? Enjoy your day.